Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush's listing management tool. With our US clients especially, we often get the question, how do I keep my new business's contact information distributed on the internet? Until recently, we had several tools we could try, but mainly the process was very manual and required visiting a lot of directories and submitting our information. At least in the USA, this is no longer the case. Now we can use the SEMrush listing management tool. Did you know? 46% of all searches on Google are seeking local information. 86% of people look up the location of a business on Google Maps. 12% search for a local business on a daily basis. And according to MediaPost, more than 50% of near-me searches result in a store visit. So let's see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the On Page and Tech SEO section of the left sidebar, where you will find the Listing Management link, which we will click. Now we will type in the business name, zip code, and our business, the street address, and the phone number, Domino's Pizza 85254 as our sample zip code, then 14601 North Scottsdale Road, and finally the phone number 520-217-2323. Then click the green Check Listing button. Now we see a long list of our potential listings. Some of these sites have data that matches ours, while some have discrepancies, and others still have completely incorrect data. Now one option is to click the green Distribute Information button. But do note that SEMrush charges $20 per month for this service. So if that number seems high to you, you could try running this tool once a month to check for the discrepancies and then reach out to the websites individually to correct any missing or incorrect data. Note that this is not an automated process and the button requires you to enter your email, at which point SEMrush will contact you when they get the chance. So thanks for checking out the listing management tool with us. See you in the next video.